Today's math lesson is lesson 9. The goal of the lesson is to find fractions of a measurement and solve the word problem using multiplying of fractions. So I'm going to do number 4 from their homework, which is a word problem that states a gardener has 10 pounds of soil. He uses 5/8 of the soil for his garden. How many pounds of soil does he use and how many does he have left? So the kids are supposed to use tape diagrams for these problems. So the whole piece of tape is 10 pounds. We're going to divide it into eighths because that's the denominator. So there's my eighths. I know that he uses 5/8 for a garden, so I'm going to illustrate this with a G, because that's the 5/8 for the garden, and then the 3/8 right here, that's what he has left. So these are both fraction of problems. So for the garden, my equation is going to be 5/8 of 10. So if I multiply those fractions, top times top, bottom times bottom, I get 50 over 8, which I must change to a mixed number, which would be 6 and 2/8. That is for the garden. So if 5/8 is for the garden, that means 3/8 is left.
Is that your color? Please.
So for 3/8, I'm going to do 3/8 of the 10 yards. I'm sorry, of the 10 pounds. 3/8 of 10, just like I did the 5/8 of 10. Top times top, bottom times bottom. I get 30 over 8, which I would change to a mixed number and get 3 and 6/8. So this first answer represents what the amount of soil he uses for the garden, and this second number represents what is left. If you add those two mixed numbers together, you would get 10 pounds.